talking about opening up a wall and doing this, pulling cupboards out, and it's just like
Jess.
ching.
This is floor sample number 7, I think. In this.
Oh my god, yeah. So there are different flooring in the kitchen and the dining room and the hallways. I mean, the bedrooms. It would cost a lot to change all.
Broke it.